Well, hello my YouTube friends. This is Jay, walking in a winter wonderland. So, this is Saturday, I had my dates wrong, Saturday, December 9th. Now, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We woke up this morning to no power and our whole life wrapped up in ice. Snow and ice. I'm just going to scan my tree line, my neighborhood. I'll get a little closer in a minute. I just walked out of the door. And every tree is encased in snow and ice. It's very pretty, but we've never been without power, only a few times in. So this is, I know a lot of people have been out without power for a day or so, but this is on my deck because this is about as much as I'm on adventure. But I brought my yardstick out because I want to see exactly how. You can see the snow is fresh. I hadn't stepped on it yet. Now I'm going to walk. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't fall. I'm just going to go to just this far over. Oh, it is deep. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've got my yardstick. I'll just go right here then because I've got up to 8 inches just here on my deck. I'm just going to pan around so you can see how it's sitting up on my deck. See, here's my deck right here. Here's all the snow on top of the deck. Hadn't been touched. Fresh snow. Look how pretty it looks down. I'm going to pull. And it's so funny because now the sun wants to come out. I'm going to pan up. Let you see how pretty the sky looks with the trees. I'm going to go over here and pan this. There's a big old tree right there. Lord, please don't let it fall. That's standing right over my room, my studio. So I'm going to pull the camera back down now. Now, I'm standing in snow, 8 inches of snow. Uh-oh, man, my shooter got stuck. Oh, gosh, I done caused myself problems. Oh, gosh. What can you say? This is Metro Atlanta. 8 inches of snow. And I'm trying to walk in my house shoes. But I just wanted you to see. I don't know if I can pan. Got my thumb in the way there. I just want you to see what a pretty postcard we have. And it would be fun if we had power. So now we're going to have to hope and wait on Georgia Power or whoever. Now see the sun. I'm standing in the shade. Let's see, can I get back over here? I don't want to fall or nothing. I'm going to go over here. Let you see how it looks in the sun with the sun shining on the trees. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Snowmageddon. Oh my, look at the sun shining on it. I hope they can. I guess trees have fallen. I see that one of my neighbor has lost a big old branch on his tree there. Big branch fell down. You can hardly tell the snow from the clouds, can you? Look how it's pretty with the sun shining. This, like I said, I just got it. My neighbor had called before everything went dead. She said, "Do you have power?" And then click. Everything went. We have no power. No coffee, no nothing. I ate an oatmeal bar. I got plenty of oatmeal bars. I had a banana. Now in our basement, we have a heater. Oh, look at that right over there. We have a heater that runs manually. We bought it when we put it in when the first bad weather we had when we built this house back in the 70s. We had the Georgia Power Company come out and install this nice heater that's automatic, but then it can be turned on, it can run manually. So we do have heat in the basement. If it came to, that. But we have a large, long house. So my room has its own furnace, so it's out, so I won't be able to stay back there and do anything today. So I just brought my knitting up to the family room in the main part of the house. And I can sit there all day today or whatever. I hope not all day. I hope they get it on. And knit. Alright, so this is Jay's Winter Wonderland adventure in her house shoes in North Atlanta in 8 inches of snow. Yep. Better go back in. I've got on my sweatpants. I'm layered. Well, I do see a truck just went up, kind of up the road. But I know the roads are going to be bad because they already told you it's going to be black ice. So we will be in, and if they're able to get the power on, thank goodness I had gotten a big old thing of ground chuck. I was going to do a meatloaf, but if I can just make hamburgers, we'll be happy. Oh, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Not. Okay, we're working on my video. We're working on my tutorial. Everything was ready. We were editing everything before the power went out. So we'll get it up as soon as we can. This is Jay, and this is Jay's Knit and Purl Jam. I'll see if I talk to you again this afternoon. I'll let you know if the power comes back on. I hear something, some kind of motor or something. Maybe that's Georgia Power trucks. I hear something humming, like when they have the big trucks out. Okay, see ya.